In this video, we'll be doing arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence in a first difference. So let's say we have 2, 6, 10, 14. Yeah. So as told in first difference. First difference is the answer to all subtraction. So it's gonna be 4, 4, 4. So because the first difference is constant or is common, this is an arithmetic sequence. So derive a formula yakhona. So you derive kanjani? So here this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Okay. So term 1, 2. This is the first term. Term 2, let's say this is the first term, this is the common difference. Term 2, uphuma ngokuthi 2 plus a common difference is 6. Term 3, uphuma ngokuthi first term, which is 2 plus 4 plus 4, 10. Term 4, uphuma ngokuthi first term, which is 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Like the add differences. So term 2, it's the first term plus one difference of 4, which is 6. Term 3 will be the first term plus a difference, or difference out 2. Difference out 2. Term 4 over 14. So the first term plus about 4 about 3. Lana about 4 about 2. So let's say the first term it's A, and then D it's our common difference. So that means term 1 will equal to A, because term 1 is the first term. Term 2 will equal to first term plus the difference. First term plus the difference, right? Term 3 will equal to first term plus difference out 2. Term 3 over 10. It's the first term plus difference, A1, plus difference out 2, 10. So term 4 will equal to A plus difference out 3. So let's say now we have Tn. Tn equals to A plus. We are going to see if it's term 2, there is 1 difference. Term 3, there are 2 differences. Term 4, there are 3. Because with term n will equals to n minus 1d. Because here it's 4 minus 1d. Lana term 3, it's 3 minus 1d. Yeah? Right. So this is our general term for an arithmetic sequence. So the formula is derive Tn. So now we can use the formula again. A stands for the first term, D stands for the common difference. So the question reads as follows: we should determine the nth term. The nth term, we know it's the general term, it's the formula, it's the equation. But the formula variable A and D, numbers. Tn, n, and numbers, right? Okay, so that's the first thing when we say, oh no, since this is arithmetic, okay, I was checking law minus law, puma. Okay, it's law minus law, so puma 4, law minus law, puma 4. So we know this is arithmetic, so we can just say Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1d. Then A is our first term, which is minus 1, plus n very formula, right? And then a difference of 4. So now we're just going to multiply out 4. So 4n minus 4. So I simplify this 4n minus 1 minus 4 keep up minus 5. So formula yethu term yalana ile. Right? So now we want to determine the end term of this sequence. 4 minus 2 minus 8. First things first, and check what we know what is an arithmetic part. If ungachelwanga or if ungazi. So minus 2 minus 4 it's minus 6. Minus 8 minus 2 is minus 6. So it's arithmetic. So we're just going to say Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Then a is our first term, which is 4 plus n lana n minus 1. The difference is minus 6. Then we multiply out, so minus 6n over minus 6. Then conclusion will be minus 6n minus 6 minus, or minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2. So our formula is this one, right? Alright, any question on my total would be, we should determine the 38th term, so it's going to be T38. Since I have the formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So we're looking for T38. So first we must get the nth term, and then we substitute 38 and then subtract. So now the nth term will be Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. First term is minus 4 plus n minus 1. It difference. So it difference was spelling out minus 8 minus 4 also minus 4, right? Minus 12 minus 8 is minus 4. So we know what the difference is 1 minus 4. So lona lows keep minus 4 and lona lows keep 5 minus 4 keep 1. This is our Tn. Now we're looking for T38. So we substitute 38 where there is n. So here it's going to be minus 4. So 38 plus 1. Let me use my calculator. So it's going to be minus 4. Going to 38 plus 1. Then it's minus 151. Minus 151. So this is term 38. While the sequence is minus 151. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3. Dot. We have term 38 lapha. Over value yake minus 151. So we see the first things first. Total any common difference, and then we derive the nth term. We substitute 38. We get the value. So Tn here will equal the common difference. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. So that's going to be a plus n minus 1 d. Then we're looking for term 38. So one can n is from 38, a is from the first term, d is from common difference. So a is 3 plus n, we're looking for term 38, difference is 3. So this is going to show the calculating, and then we get the answer here too. So it's 3 plus 37 multiplying over 3. So it's 114. 114. So la supposed we should determine the 38th term. So sifuna balana, sifuna Tn. So kuzokwenzeka so as example manje abasizofuna khona bani n manje. So la question is, which term of the sequence is equal to 94? Which term? So we are given Tn, we're looking for n. First things first, find the common difference, find the nth term, substitute, and then solve for the unknown. So this is la minus 2 minus 5. So it's like 5 minus 2, so 1 minus la, so it's an arithmetic. A plus n minus 1 d. So a is our first term, which is minus 5. N. Difference here to 3. So we multiply out lana minus 5. Lona low 3n, lona low minus 3. then 3n minus 5 minus minus 8. So this is our Tn. So but now we're looking for n because we are given Tn. So meaning it's called Tn so far 94. So it's about 94, which is equals to 3n minus 8, and then we must solve for n. 8 is over 102 equals to 3n. And then let me use my calculator. 102 divided by 3 will 34. So our n is equals to 34. So maybe which term you must calculate n? Because it's in Tn, which is the value. But maybe we should determine the 10th term, the 20th term, the 5th term. Lapo n, and we should calculate what Tn. Right. So now to calculate a number of terms. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3. Dot dot dot. Meaning that term our being. Hey, no man. Okay, we should find the number of terms in the sequence. In the sequence, we need 2, 4, 6, dot dot dot. Meaning the sequence is wire. But remember 2, 4, 6, dot dot dot. This is a 50. It means 50 is our last term. So this is term 1, term 2, term 3. Ne? 50 as much as term 1. But if you can get 50 mhlambe term 30, it will mean ukuthi ama-term kule sequence awungakhi awu-30 because the position last term is 30 because ama-term always starts kubani? 1. So here, you should find the number of terms in the sequence. 12, 7, 2, dot, 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 minus 2, 3. Meaning that minus 2 or 3 is our last term. So if we can get the position of minus 2 or 3, it means that ama-term awungakhi kule sequence. Okay, let's get to it. 7 minus 12 kuzoba ngubani? Minus 5. Then 2 minus 7 is over minus 5. So we know this is arithmetic. So it's Tn equals to a plus blah 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 blah. So our first term is 12 plus n minus 1. It differentiates to it's minus 5. So Tn is going to be minus 203 equals to 12. So multiply out because we are solving for n. We want to know the position Tika 203 or minus 203. So lower loss of minus 5n, lower loss is going to be positive 5. Then 5 plus 12, so minus 203 equals to 5 plus 12, which is 17 minus 5n. Such a 5n weighing up, how 203 weighing up. So it's 5n equals to 17 plus 203. 17 plus 203, that should be 220. So 220 divided by 5, it's 44. It means n is equal to 44. So therefore, the number of terms in this sequence is 44 because the last term is 44, the position of the last term. So check we want to find out how many terms are in the sequence. So for the we must first find the what? The common difference. Let number so I'm going to use my calculator. So it's minus negative 55, which is 7. 7. So I guess also over 7. So Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1d because it's arithmetic. Now we're looking for a position of 85. 85 is the term value, and then must not call the position. So let's just grade. So this is 85 equals to our first term is minus 55 plus n minus 1. Our difference is 7. So now let's multiply out 55 here, now it's going to be 85 plus 55 equals to 7n minus 7, and then should it loud. So 85 low plus 55, and then 7 will jump over plus 7, which is equals to 147, which is equal to 7n divided on 7 divided on 7. N is equals to 147 divided by 7. N is equals to 21. So therefore, since the position of 85 is 21 and 85 is our last term, it means that the number of terms in the sequence is 21. So we are done.